Guys, today we are at a very nice condo association complex. They have us doing a bunch of fixes, like on the eaves where fascia soffit is rotten. Animals have tried to get in, um, stuff like that. Some of the vents are pulled down. And then along some chimneys where I got a feeling it was improperly flashed up there. And it's substantial amount of damage that's been done to the siding, to the OSB that's behind the siding, and even to the 2x4s or 2x6s that they used for the main construction, the framing of it. And I'll bring you along today for a couple of these fixes. So got a bunch of cedar in the back. Our bill here is $1,067. So, and that's only for 6 2x6x8s rough sawn, 2x8x8 foot rough sawn, 2x8x10 foot rough sawn. We got 18 pieces of cedar bevel, square butt cedar siding, and one textured groove soffit 4x8 panel. So that all came out to about $1,000, a little over $1,000. Sorry about the long intro. I'm gonna start setting up and then bring you guys along. Sorry about that. So as you can tell, very nice place. So bring you guys along for it. Here it is, minus the siding, and that's a little over $1,000 in wood, and we'll eat this up real quick here. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, just getting my tool belt set up for what I need here. Let's see what's on here from yesterday. You know, when you go up so high and you're on steep steppers on the roof that help you stay stable and be able to climb up such steep roofs, it's essential to have a good carpenter's belt that you have everything you need accessible, even though it weighs a little bit and sometimes can be a pain in the butt. It helps. So I'm gonna get my stuff situated here, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, gonna put my steep steppers on the roof, get set up, and get up there and get this done. Already hot on this roof. Only gonna get hotter. hotter than 2 rats screwing in a wool sock, folks. It's hot. But anyways, this is what I got going on. So rodents started getting in there because it was rotten. So what I did, put my fast square there, tried to cut it as best as I could. I'm gonna rip this one off, the fascia board off. Soffit's probably gonna go up until this point here, and then we're gonna replace it with new stuff, and then just have the painters come and paint it. So that's what I'm doing on this eave here. Like I said, just making sure that we replace the soffit board and the fascia board. I got the gutter just kind of flopping right now. So yeah, keep you guys posted. Guys, I got the fascia board cut, got our notch all the way down for the soffit. Time to get it. So we're at a different spot a little later in the day, and doing a little bit of hand railing work, as you could tell. Sorry, it's a little wobbly. This is all rotted out. You could kind of tell. I'll show you what we ended up doing here. This was just a fix-it, basically. Just mount the lower section of it, remount some cedar tops. They were complaining that there was a large gap here, as you could tell. So I stuck a piece of cedar siding that was beveled in there, made up basically that angle, cut this at the right angle, made it really nice and tight. Come around the other side here, show you guys, nice and tight to the post. The post did move a little bit, but made it look really good. So that's what we did over here. Again, another result of cedar wood. So this has got to get painted.